everyone. I have a very fun book for you this holiday season. You know about the Grinch who stole Christmas and saved it too? Well, did you know the Grinch can cook?
He does?
He does, Torrence. Today I will be reading to you all. Cooking with the Grinch.
Sounds like fun.
The Grinch goes down to the town. He hears the bells. Ding dong, ding dong. He hears the oohs. They sing, 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 sing. He taps the door. It's Cindy Lou. She likes to cook. The Grinch does too. He likes to mix. She likes to stir. She cooks with him. He cooks with her. They make some treats and start to bake. Who will eat the treats they make? Max! Oh no! No, 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 no! Max, you have to go! Go, go, go! The treats are done. Don't let them tip. Oh no! The treats! They start to slip! Cindy Lou is fast. The treats do not fall. She saves the treats. She saves them all. Merry Christmas, Max. Yum, 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 yummy. The treats are now in Max's tummy. What a fun story with the Grinch and Cindy Lou.
I think this might be the best December ever.
I'm on it.
Ooh, hello there.
Yay! Ophelia's back.
Wait, that means, yay, Matthew's back too.
Hello everyone, did you miss us?
Ophelia, Matthew.
It's nice welcoming you home. You were only gone for a few weeks.
Seemed way longer than that.
Ever meet our friend Kayla?
Hello everyone, it's nice to meet you all.
Hi, Kayla. My name is Torrence.
It's nice to meet you, Torrence. You must be the artist Matthew told me so much about.
Yes, I am. Can we make something today, Matthew?
Of course, you both have fun.
Thanks, Matthew. Come on, Kayla.
Okay, Torrence.
Can you help me, actually?
Sure thing.
I was decorating for Christmas.
Christmas is going to be so much fun, but we have a lot of other holidays to talk about this year too.
Like what, Matthew?
Well, we have Hanukkah, and we also have Kwanzaa.
It's exciting.
Yeah, it will be, but we're also going to have a very special Christmas too, Lily.
How will it be fun, Matthew?
Well, we're going to probably have some crafts with Dr. Frankenstein and Igor, mail some letters to Santa.
Santa isn't real.
Edgar, I wouldn't say that. You wouldn't want to be on Santa's naughty list.
I don't believe there's a Santa.
Of course he is real. I believe in him. I have an idea. In my letter, I will ask Santa to come over.
Santa will come here?
Yes, Lily, I could always ask Santa.
If you can get Santa here, I believe it, Matthew.
Okay, Edgar, you'll have to wait and see. Let's see what Kayla and Torrence are going to be doing and what craft they're going to make today.
Hello everyone, it's nice to meet you all. My name is Kayla and I'll be doing some crafts today with Torrence.
What kind of craft are we going to do, Kayla?
Today we'll be making some reindeer hats.
That sounds like a lot of fun. How do we make one?
You will need these materials to make a reindeer hat.
I'm excited. Let's begin.
For this craft, you will need glue or tape, scissors, and make sure you get your parents' permission or supervision when you use them, googly eyes, markers or crayon to draw the nose on, and anything else you want to add to your little reindeer hat. And of course, we'll be using this construction paper. First, you get your construction paper and you'll be cutting strips that will form the base of your reindeer hat. Then you'll need to try to wrap these around your head or have your parents do that to make sure that it will actually fit. Once you know that this will fit around your head, make sure you glue them together or tape them. And then we will use the construction paper again to draw our hands. These will be the antlers for your reindeer. And be very careful while you cut them out. Then either tape or glue the antlers to your hat. Flip it over, then we will add our googly eyes. And draw our little reindeer nose. And tape the back so it can fit on our heads. And here is a reindeer hat.
That's a really cool hat, Kayla.
Thanks, I like yours too.
Matthew would love these, I'm sure.
I'll go get him.
Kayla,
Yes, Torrence?
thank you for doing the craft with me. I am very happy you are here.
Of course, and I'm not going to go anywhere anytime soon. You're stuck with me.
Yay!
Wow, Goldie, that craft does look really cool like you said.
Thank you, Matthew.
We're so happy to have you, Kayla. We can't wait to see what you guys do next week.
I can't wait.
Next week is going to be so much fun.
Yeah, it will. Make sure to see what we have in store for all of you next week. Bye.
Bye.